In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Cloudflare documentation. If you use Cloudflare for your website or applications, knowing exactly where to find clear, official guidance can save you time and prevent mistakes. The documentation library is where Cloudflare explains features, best practices, and troubleshooting steps in a structured way, and it's designed to help you get answers quickly. First, open your Cloudflare account in your web browser and sign in. You don't need anything special here, just access to your dashboard as you normally would. Starting from the dashboard matters because it keeps everything in the same ecosystem, and many help links in the interface take you straight to related articles. If you have multiple accounts or sites, you don't need to pick one right now. The documentation is global and covers all plans and products. Next, look for support. You'll typically find a support link or a help icon at the top right of the dashboard. Clicking support takes you to Cloudflare's help resources, which include community forums, status pages, and official documentation. Going through support ensures you land on the official materials so you're following accurate, up-to-date guidance that matches the current interface and features. From the support area, select documentation. This is the dedicated home of Cloudflare's written guides. Once you're in, you'll see a well-organized library that assists with many aspects of your Cloudflare usage. Articles are grouped into clear categories by product area and task, so you can quickly narrow your search. If you're new, the Getting Started sections help you understand the basics. If you're working on performance, security, DNS, or workers and serverless tools, you'll find sections dedicated to each. Most articles include prerequisites, step-by-step instructions, examples, and links to related topics. Use the search bar if you already know the feature name, and scan the sidebar to explore related content without losing your place. As you browse, pay attention to version or plan notes, since some features differ by plan type. If you're following along with your own dashboard, keep a separate tab open so you can switch between the guide and your settings. Bookmark frequently used articles and check the release notes or change logs if you want to confirm recent updates. When in doubt, the documentation usually links to deeper references or conceptual overviews that provide helpful context. That's all there is to it. Open your Cloudflare account, click support, select documentation, and explore the categorized, searchable library built to help you find exactly what you're looking for.